wind.
It's always too much.
Zooming in, zooming out.
Just get a little closer. Can you get us both in a shot now with the flag?
Yep. We're perfect. We're right on the money.
Are you recording now? Oh, okay. This is a ceremony from Poland. My ancestors performed this ceremony with this type of an event where a man and a woman get together and a child is involved. Not the man marrying the woman. This is called the Polish stepson, stepfather ceremony.
Look at you, your dress.
I will. Will you please focus on me?
Her dress fell off.
I will do the fatherly thing as they do in Poland to demonstrate my dedication to being a good stepfather, and then the stepson will follow after me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Jerzy nasz 100 lat, 100 lat.
Jerzy nasz 100 lat, 100 lat.
Yay!
There's a sailor shot.